Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to manage remote employee time tracking. Now, do you have team members scattered across cities or even time zones? Managing remote employee hours can feel tricky, but with Gusto, it's totally doable. So let's break down how to track time accurately, no matter where your employee works. Step 1, ensure time tracking is enabled in Gusto. So you want to start by logging in your Gusto admin dashboard. Head to time tracking under the people or time tools. Now make sure time tracking is turned on for your company. If not, just go ahead and flip that switch. Step 2, assign time tracking to remote employees. Now you want to navigate to each remote employee profile under the job and pay, or it could be under time tracking section. Assign them to time tracking. Now this gives them access to clock in and out via Gusto's web portal or mobile friendly interface. Step 3, set time zones if needed. Now, if your remote employees are in a different time zone, it's important to make sure their time zones are set correctly in their profile. This ensures that all logged hours are accurate relative to your business operations. Step 4, provide clear clock in and clock out instructions. Now, remote employees can clock their hours using the Gusto dashboard or a synced app like T-Sheet. Let them know how and when to log time, including breaks or project notes if necessary. Step 5, monitor hours in real time. Now you can keep tabs on hours as they are submitted. Just head to time tracking and view timesheets for all remote employees. Gusto will list when and where the hours were logged. Step 6, approve timesheets before payroll. Now, before each payroll run, you want to review submitted hours, approve them manually, or you could set up auto approvals. This step ensures only accurate hours get processed for pay. Remote teams don't have to be a mystery. With Gusto's built-in tools, you'll keep everything on track no matter where your people work. And that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked the information here. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.